Imagine this. You wake up, turn on your computer or open your phone, ready to get some work done or scroll through your photos. Suddenly, a scary message flashes across your screen. It says your files are encrypted, locked, and the only way to get them back is to pay a ransom, usually in cryptocurrency like Bitcoin. They give you a deadline, a payment address, and a chilling warning: pay up or lose your data forever. This nightmare is becoming all too real for millions of people worldwide every year. Welcome to the channel, and today we're going to explore ransomware attacks in detail, what they are, how they spread, the devastating impact they have, and the all-important question: can you really get your data back once it's been taken hostage? Plus, I'll share some important tips on protecting yourself and what to do if you become a victim. Before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, please take a second to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest tech insights and cybersecurity tips. Alright, let's get started. What is ransomware? Ransomware is a type of malware designed to deny you access to your data, systems, or even your entire device. It does this by encrypting your files using advanced cryptography, turning them into unreadable gibberish. The cyber criminals behind the attack then demand a ransom payment in exchange for the decryption key that can unlock your data. Unlike other malware that might silently steal your information or spy on you, ransomware makes itself very visible and very threatening. The ransom note often includes scary warnings and deadlines designed to pressure victims into paying quickly. Ransomware has become one of the most profitable forms of cybercrime. Why? Because almost everyone has valuable data. It can target individuals, small businesses, large corporations, hospitals, government agencies, and even critical infrastructure. The financial and operational damage caused by these attacks can be staggering. How does ransomware spread? You might be wondering, how does ransomware get on my device in the first place? The answer is that it usually sneaks in through everyday activities, clicking links, opening attachments, or downloading software that seem perfectly normal at first glance. Phishing emails are the #1 delivery method. You receive an email that appears to be from a trusted source such as your bank, a colleague, or a delivery service requesting that you open an attachment or click on a link. But that link installs ransomware without you even realizing it. Sometimes, ransomware spreads through malicious websites or online ads that exploit vulnerabilities in your browser or software. Other times, it comes bundled with pirated software or fake apps you download. Outdated or unpatched software is a huge risk factor. Cybercriminals often exploit known security holes in popular software to silently install ransomware on millions of devices. That's why keeping your operating system and applications up to date is absolutely critical. Ransomware attacks have very real consequences. Take, for example, the WannaCry attack in 2017. This ransomware worm spread rapidly across the globe, infecting over 200,000 computers in 150 countries. It crippled parts of the UK's National Health Service, shutting down hospitals, delaying surgeries, and putting lives at risk. Or consider the Colonial Pipeline attack in 2021, where hackers took control of a major fuel pipeline in the US, forcing a shutdown that led to fuel shortages and panic buying. For businesses, ransomware means downtime, lost revenue, damaged reputation, and expensive recovery efforts. For individuals, it can mean losing irreplaceable family photos, important documents, or access to a freelance business. And even if victims pay the ransom, there's no guarantee they'll get their data back. Attackers don't have to keep their promises. Sometimes, the decryption tools they provide are faulty or deliberately sabotaged. Worse, paying ransom encourages these criminals to keep attacking more victims. Now to the million-dollar question. If you're hit by ransomware, can you really get your data back? The truth is, sometimes yes, but often no. Paying the ransom is a risky gamble. Law enforcement agencies, including the FBI, strongly discourage paying because it funds further criminal activity and encourages more attacks. Some ransomware groups have been known to leak data publicly if victims don't pay, increasing the stakes. On the bright side, there are some situations where victims have been able to recover data without paying. 1. If you have up-to-date backups of your data, you can restore everything after wiping your device clean. 2. Some ransomware strains have been cracked by cybersecurity experts, and free decryption tools are available for those. 3. Hiring professional cybersecurity firms can sometimes help with recovery or containment. But no method is guaranteed, and prevention is always the best strategy. Protecting yourself from ransomware means building layers of defense. First, keep your software up to date. Cybercriminals frequently exploit vulnerabilities in old software versions. Enable automatic updates if possible. Use strong, unique passwords, and enable two-factor authentication everywhere you can. This adds an extra barrier hackers need to get through. Be very cautious with emails. Don't open attachments or click links unless you're 100% sure they're safe. Phishing scams are designed to look legitimate. Make regular backups of all your important files and store them in multiple places, ideally one offline or on a separate network that can't be accessed by ransomware. Install reputable antivirus and anti-malware software that includes ransomware protection, and educate yourself and those around you about safe online habits. Many ransomware infections start with human error. What to do if you get infected? If you find yourself the victim of a ransomware attack, act fast, but stay calm. Immediately disconnect your device from the internet and any connected networks to prevent the ransomware from spreading. Do not pay the ransom right away. Instead, contact a professional cybersecurity expert who can help assess the situation. Report the attack to local law enforcement or cybercrime units. This helps authorities track ransomware campaigns and may aid in your recovery. If you have backups, use them to restore your data after wiping your device. Try to identify the ransomware strain. Sometimes, this can help you find a free decryption tool. There is a valuable resource called No More Ransom, a project by law enforcement and cybersecurity companies that offers free decryption tools for certain ransomware types. If you can identify the ransomware family affecting you, you might find a tool on their site to unlock your files without paying a dime. Remember, these tools only work on specific ransomware strains, so they're not a catch-all solution, but they're worth checking before considering payment. While you should never pay ransomware hackers, you might be tempted to just pay the ransom and get your data back quickly, especially if you're desperate. But paying ransom funds illegal activities and encourages criminals to keep attacking. It turns ransomware into a profitable business. Also, many victims who pay never get their data back or get only partial recovery. Some attackers even target victims again later. Supporting cybercrime harms the wider digital ecosystem, so the best choice is prevention and recovery without paying. The future of ransomware and cybersecurity. Ransomware is evolving. Attackers are becoming more sophisticated, using double extortion tactics, where they not only decrypt your files, but also steal your data and threaten to leak it publicly. This makes the stakes even higher for victims and underscores the need for stronger cybersecurity defenses everywhere. Organizations worldwide are investing heavily in ransomware defense, detection, and incident response. For individuals, staying informed, cautious, and prepared remains the best defense. Ransomware is a scary and serious threat, but it's not unbeatable. Understanding how it works, how to prevent it, and what to do if you're attacked can save you from major headaches and losses. Always keep your data backed up, stay vigilant online, and have a response plan. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. It helps the channel grow and allows me to keep bringing you important tech security content. Have you or someone you know ever experienced a ransomware attack? Share your story or questions in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching.